Hello everyone and welcome to Stockholm Arlanda Airport, where today we're doing something a bit different because I've just landed in from a flight over from Germany and I've got to get to my hotel. But the hotel as well is slightly different. If you're an aviation enthusiast, then this hotel is definitely for you. Let's go. I tell you what, Arlanda Airport don't have to put the ground transportation miles away. At the bus stop now, but it's about 20 minutes till next bus, so got a little while to wait.
Oh, they're low.
Okay then, so just completed the bus ride. Now it's just to get to the hotel. Now it's not the Radisson Blue there that we're staying at. We're staying here. That's right. It's a converted 747. It's called the Jumbo Stay, and to be honest, I have no idea how they got it here. How do you get a 747 into the middle of a field just outside Arlanda Airport? It's not as if you can drive it out the airport. This is insane. I take it this contraption here is where we check in. Okay, they've done this up. This inside does not look like a 747, 731. I've gone past it. Okay, as you can see, it's like a little cabin room where the overhead bins used to be. Wow, that still works. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's very small, but yeah, suit the needs. Do these curtains open? Oh, they do. Oh, this is so cool. This is really, really cool. I'll show you around the rest of the hotel in a minute, but gonna dump my stuff. Okay, stuff has been dumped, and yeah, let's go see if we can get some drink and food, and just find out where the showers are because I need a shower. It's a bit like a hostel, this place. They do have some private rooms and like 2 suites. I think one in the engine room, one in the cockpit. But they've got like bunk bed suites. I just decided to get a bog standard room with the shared bathroom. So let's go find out where the showers are. Look at this. Merch. Definitely getting a cap. Definitely getting one of those. Oh, and it used to be, I guess it used to be a China Airlines plane. It's pretty cool. Okay, so this is the bathroom. It's actually quite nice. Yeah, nothing to complain about. Yeah, I am going to get early in the morning because I've got a flight over to Oslo. So, actually going to Oslo then Stavanger. But yeah, I'm going to get a shower here and then hit the hay. I say that is actually a pretty good shower for being on an old 747. The shower they put in has a lot of power. I love jet showers. Get it? Jet showers. Sorry. That was a good shower. What do I want to eat?
Please present your card or your mobile phone. Authorizing.
Okay, so that was the shower. It doesn't appear to be like meals or anything. They're all like locked away at the moment. I think it's because I'm pretty late, to be honest. So, and they were all just like ready meals anyway, so I'm not too bothered about that. But anyway, I'm going to hit the hay now, and yeah, get breakfast in the morning before we have to go back to the airport. I love this. The fire safety, it looks just like on an aircraft because it is on an aircraft. You got the cafe at the front. I suppose with a cafe it would have been first class back in the day, up at the nose. And then you got the, oh wow, there's a lot of bathrooms. It looks like back there at the back there's like 6 toilets and 2 shower rooms at the front, and then just a lot of rooms. Yeah, so tell me what you think of the jumbo stay. I personally love it. Not a hotel I would stay in constantly, maybe 1 or 2 nights, but for the novelty, I mean, come on. It's a 747. You can't... whoever did design this and built it deserves a massive pat on the back, because this is it makes it special even though it's cheap. Because this room was cheap. I'll put the price down below, but this was cheap. In fact, I'll just tell you right now, it was £70 for this room. So for staying right outside Stockholm Airport, that is just unbelievably cheap. Yeah, I love it. Come here. You should come here. But anyway, I will see you all in the morning. Can I just say as well that this bed is actually really comfortable. Like, for a hostel, it's really, really comfortable. So, hopefully gonna get a decent night's sleep. But anyway, I will see you in the morning. Morning. I've got to get up now and go to the airport. But, yeah, that wasn't too bad to sleep, to be honest. Good few hours sleep. Now, need to go to the airport. So, yeah, can't complain about the jumbo stay for the pillows and the bed. Actually quite good. So, let's go. Right. Had a good little stay in the jumbo stay, but now let's see if we can go get a bit of breakfast, and then we need to get to the airport. So, let's go. I would like to get some breakfast, or at least coffee, but it doesn't appear to be obvious how I pay. It said it was going to be 110 krona, but the card machine's not on. I don't know. I'm not too fussed about breakfast. It doesn't appear like there's a lot, so it's just like cereals, toast and stuff, with some ham and a couple slices of cheese. But yeah, doesn't appear to be any way to pay to get a coffee. Just have a glass of water. You know, Jumbo Stay branded cup. It's breakfast. Wake me up anyway. At least until we can get to the airport and get coffee there. Anyway, let's go. I'm not sure by how much it's still being held on its landing gear, but that is pretty awesome. That is very, very cool. But anyway, we got to get to the bus stop now, so it's time to bid farewell to this unique and amazing hotel, or hostel. It's more of a hostel really, but still pretty amazing. I think you'll agree. Wow, you can see the stars out tonight. Wow, that's pretty awesome. Okay, there is a Radisson Blue over there, and I tell you what, if you're coming to Stockholm Airport to stay one night at Stockholm Airport on a layover or something of that nature, and you go to a Radisson Blue when that is opposite, you need to be having words with yourself, because for a unique experience, that's pretty awesome. Goodbye, Jumbo Stay. We'll maybe see you again soon. I might stay there again. I would quite like to stay there again. It's a novelty, isn't it? It's a novelty. Can you put a price on a novelty like that? Staying in a Boeing 747 jumbo jet that's been converted into a hotel? I certainly can't. At least, I mean, they've put a price on it. It's £70 a night, but for that room, but I can't put a price on it just now. So yeah, I will bid you farewell for now. You let me know what you thought of this video down below, and if you did like this video, then you should check out this video here. And as always, people, we will see you all in the next one.